Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiana, and today I thought I'd do something different. Today we're gonna be vlogging my sister getting ready for prom. Today's the special day. They just grow up so fast, don't they? I'm here in my little studio, as we like to call it. It's just my desk. Say hi.
Hey.
This is Caitlin. I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage of me helping her get ready for prom. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Okay, so let's just hop into it. We already put on her foundation. She's just using the MAC
Match Master.
Yes, that's what we're using. Jump right into eyeshadow. The first step, we're just going to be taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is my favorite. So I think what we're going to go for, she has a black dress, so I think we're going to kind of go for this more plum look. Some of those, maybe that dark color, and then we're going to use probably a shimmery color from this eyeshadow palette. Okay. Okay, so we decided what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna be starting out with this right over here just as a base blending color, and it'll just help everything in the long run. Blendy blend.
Aren't you bad at doing makeup on other people's eyes?
Yeah, I'm not the best at makeup, guys, so if this sucks, sorry Caitlin, you're just gonna look ugly. I feel like your eyelids are dry.
Probably because you primed it twice.
It's like we need more moisture on there. Ew. Going in with this more mauve-y, taupey. Kind of build up the color a little bit. You don't want to look like you have a black eye. Come on. So hopefully this works on the first try because we don't have any time.
If it doesn't, then that's okay.
You might just not wear eyeshadow then to prom.
I might just not go.
Okay, now we're going to be taking the Sigma Tapered Blending E40. Going in with this purple color. I'm going to be using that same brush. Gonna go in with this really cool palette from Urban Decay. Oh yeah, taking Maiden. Okay, well I'm not a professional makeup artist, so this isn't going as planned. It doesn't look bad, but it's not like anything special, you know? It's just like plain and not that dark. The clock is ticking, so stay. It actually looks pretty good. What do you think now? Why do I look so freaking white? I be chilling in the studio, just trying to
get to you have to do this right here.
Now Caitlin's gonna put on her fake eyelashes, or attempt to.
They made my nails really sore. I love not being able to wipe my ass.
I think I'm gonna retire from the beauty community. I want food.
Okay, should I redo this one or should I just like curl my eyelashes and make it look?
Because that part's up higher. So yeah, today's a very chill day for me on the other hand. Hey kitty pie. Say hi. To conclude the makeup, we're taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This has my favorite contour shades. Gold line. Now we're taking this blush by NARS.
Not too much. Then we have Kristen Leanne, her super pretty whatever this is. Now we're going to be doing hair. Scoot more this way. We're going to be using the Remington curling wand. This is the 1.5 inch barrel thing. It's my favorite thing ever. We don't use setting spray because we love having dry, crusty hair. I normally just take whenever I curl my hair and do loose waves. Jesus. Your hair's so. Why don't you get a brush?
Why didn't you brush it before? We're just going to be taking 1 inch to 1.5 inch sections, and I like to just take them from random parts of the head because it just makes it look really beachy and pretty. after about 2 hours of intense work, we finally finished everything. Her makeup actually turned out really well. I'm pretty surprised. We were kind of doubtful in the beginning because we were unsure of what color scheme to go for, but it actually ended up looking really cute, and it's almost time for her to go. So yeah, basically my mom and I are just gonna go meet her over there where they're taking pictures around like 4:30 or something. I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's basically the whole montage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely thumbs this video up. So talk to you guys later.
That's a real one in your reflection without a follow.